everyone. I, Leena Raut, welcome you all on GenX Parenting. In this quick video, I, along with pediatrician and parenting coach, Dr. Nita Jagad, we are going to share an interesting concept about how to talk to kids so they will listen to you. Because what you say matters.
Hello, how you say definitely matters.
Great. Let's get going then. So instead of saying, be quiet,
Try saying, can you use a softer voice?
don't say, what a mess.
Try saying, it looks like you've had a lot of fun. Can we now start cleaning up?
Instead of, do you need help?
Try saying, I'm always there whenever you need help.
Don't say, I explained this to you yesterday.
Try saying, I can show you another way how to do it.
Instead of, do I need to separate you now?
Try saying, could you both use a break now?
Instead of, just stop crying now.
Try saying, it's okay to cry.
Do you have any questions now?
Try saying, what question do you have?
Oh, it's not that hard.
So instead of saying that, you can try saying, you can do anything, even hard things.
Instead of, we don't talk like that, okay?
Instead of saying that, you can say, please use kind words. So dear parents, effective communication not only helps engaging cooperation of your child, but it improves bonding with them and also improves their social emotional skills. And by now you all know that how important social emotional skills are. They are important to raise successful children. So now parents do join us for an innovative and novel parenting workshop, Parenting with Emotional Intelligence, on 31st July 2022.